Hello sweeties, welcome back. It is Shook here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, and hit the bell so you're getting more affordable hair content notifications from me. And today we're doing Aligegous hair, and they sent me over this little cute 8-inch curly Pixie lace front. It is 13 by 1, meaning it is ear to ear, and you get about 1 inch of parting to get the job done and get it laid down right, okay? So this is what we're going to be reviewing. I also have a headband wig from them that we will do at the end of the video. So yes, let's go ahead and put it on. As you can see, my ball cap is in full effect. Okay, so she's on. This is what she's giving. I did bleach the knots on this, but just right out, that's what it's looking like. She is short. We're gonna get her styled right though. It is soft. It naturally came very dark, but first we're gonna tint this lace because as you can see, it was very light. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little foundation. I use my 355 coconut, and I'm just gonna get that in there really good and go just a little bit past the hairline, and I'll be right back. I got it tinted, it's ready to go. I'm going to use my Headband glue to lay this down today. I'm going to do one good solid layer. And yeah, it's just going to be vibes on your side. I'm going to get this thing laid, slayed, and made in the shade, okay? And I'll be back.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Away. freak like you and me. I'll be coming down, 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 down. I'll be coming down, 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 down. Honestly, I shouldn't waste time no more. Yeah. All these little boys you're chasing, did they break your heart? I know you've been down, 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 down.
Okay, babies, this is the final look. The curls, the edges, they were just giving me, you know, damp rose in the garden. So that's what I went for. And this is how it came out. I just fluffed it out a bit like this. It is still just a little bit damp. And I just worked with it like that. Put my little flower headband on so people can admire these edges, baby. For an inch of lace, she told y'all to be quiet. She said, I can get just as scalpy as these other girls, okay? And she did that. This one is really cute and luscious, I must say. If you're into natural, cute little pixies, this is perfect. Definitely go cop that. $44. She's worth the coin, okay? And I'm okay with the 1 inch of space because of this hair being so short, and you're not gonna be like parting it and deep parting. Girl, no. You're gonna give these edges and you're gonna give these curls and you're gonna be up out of there just like that, okay? I'm happy with it. I love it. I didn't know I was gonna love it this much. So that is that, y'all. And now it is on to the headband wig. It's just a little glimpse, but very also worth the money. So I'm gonna let you get into that. So now that we've gotten this get down out of the way, we have a headband wig to talk about. So it comes in this. You get a bandana headband. Hopefully the light is not too bright. So you get that, and you get the headband wig itself. It is giving you chocolate caramel vibes, baby. Look at that. And this is running, I think, $19 or $20. Of course, the link will be in the description below. It has 3 combs in the top, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and the Velcro band that they're all known to have. So let me put it on for you. This is what it's looking like, okay? It is very full. It is bouncy, silky, and it's not shedding. The only downside that I can see to this wig would be that it is tangling, but I know that this curl pattern does that from other wigs that I've had that are synthetic and have that curl pattern. You're gonna have to straighten it out and like recurl it so that it does not tangle. But I think the color combination is really nice and I'm not mad at it. Again, for $19, I mean, what do you expect? But yeah. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. I want to thank Aligegous Hair again for sending this over, keeping your girl fly, okay? Go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already, and hit that bell. And until next time, stay sweet.